Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you our HiGlue PC9313 wearing compound.
It's a chainable component that protects against sliding abrasion. You can use it to rebuild and protect tubes, pumps, housings, airborne existing lining systems. When measuring the rigidity and hardness, ensure you follow the recommended 4:1 ratio to for the two parts together on mixing board and mix evenly. The working time is 30 minutes at 25 degrees Celsius. Now you can see it is no sagging and with good adhesion. Let's see the results 24 hours later. It has good flexibility, impact resistance, and bending resistance. The curing time, thickness, and color can be customized as your requirement.
If you are interested in learning more, please contact us and leave your comments below.